Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by removing the interior door handle trim with a plastic trim tool. The trim tool prevents scratching the finish and pops clips free. Remove the visible screws next. There are typically 3 Torx screws. Use T20 and T25 drivers to avoid stripping heads. Carefully pry the lower panel edge to unclip it without force. Lift the panel slightly to free the top lip and pull outward. Disconnect the electrical connector and set the panel aside carefully for later reinstallation. Locate the lock actuator mounted inside the door cavity behind the moisture barrier. Peel back the moisture barrier slowly to preserve the adhesive for reuse. Disconnect the lock rod clips using pliers and note their orientation for reassembly. Unplug the actuator electrical connector by depressing the tab and pulling straight out. Remove the actuator mounting bolts with a 10 mm socket and T30 if needed. Extract the old actuator and compare it to the new unit for identical connectors and mounting points. Position the new actuator into the mounting plate, aligning the tabs and holes. Install the new actuator and tighten bolts to approximately 8 Nm using a torque wrench if available. Reconnect all rods and the electrical connector, ensuring correct clip orientation and full engagement. Reseat the moisture barrier and temporarily press the door panel back onto its clips. Test locking and unlocking with the key and interior switch before full reassembly. If operation is smooth, reinstall the screws, trim, and verify all functions once more.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.